Hey, I just wanted to take a minute and explain to you about the electric adapter that comes as part of your travel documents if you're working with CIE. CIE is our primary partner in Ireland, so most of you are on a tour associated with CIE. A few of you aren't, so you won't get this, but the majority are. So I wanted to go ahead and explain it because it's not obvious if you've not seen one of these before, but get this really nice little case from CIE, and inside of it is the adapter. Now, this is the one you really want to look at. So this has the prongs, these three prongs right here for the UK and Ireland market. So if you're traveling in Ireland, Scotland, England, whatever, this is the right prong. Down here is for Italy, because even though their focus is primarily Ireland and the UK, they do tours in Italy as well. So you can't use these together. You have to take them apart. So you pull this Italy part out. So for Ireland, this adapter, I don't know, there you go with the light, if you can really see it. So this is the proper adapter for you to use in Ireland and Scotland and all around the UK. And so this is what you would plug into the outlet. And then of course you would plug your US type adapters, your chargers, whatever, in here. So I'll actually use the other part of what they included, and you can see you just plug it in like that. The other part that they included is you're really not going to use it. It's more for plugging in when somebody from Europe comes here, they need to plug into the US, and then their devices would plug in here. So you're not really going to use this part. You're going to use this part. Okay, so let's talk about the Italy one, because even if you're not going to Italy, we do have a few people going to Italy after Ireland. But if you're not going to Italy now, you still want to save this. You want to keep all this because this is pretty handy if you do go to Italy at some point in the future. And so this really just plugs right into the outlet in Italy. And then you would plug your US type devices right in here. So this is a little type adapter, but totally exactly similar to the one that I have myself when I go to Italy. So just wanted to kind of show you how that works. And if you're trying to figure out how to get it back in the box, you slip the Italy adapter back into that little slot that was there. And then you'll notice that the way that this was put together is this one that really somebody visiting the US would use, that it's designed to, it's got holes in it that match up with these. So then you can put it all together. So it's a nice little block. So just wanted to show you how to use this in case you were trying to figure it out. Thanks.